Have you ever wondered if you could open a bank account with a Canadian institution while residing in the United States? Today, we're diving into that very question, specifically focusing on Tangerine Bank. Tangerine Bank, formerly known as ING Direct, is a popular online bank in Canada, renowned for its high-interest savings accounts and innovative digital banking services. But can you maintain a Tangerine account while living south of the border? Let's find out. The challenge of cross-border banking. Before we delve into Tangerine, it's important to understand the general challenges of cross-border banking. These can include currency exchange fees. Transactions across borders often involve currency conversion, which can lead to fees. Regulatory compliance. Banks must adhere to the regulations of the countries in which they operate, which can complicate cross-border transactions. Tax implications. Tax laws can vary significantly between countries, and understanding these differences is crucial for avoiding penalties. Tangerine stance on U.S. residents. While Tangerine is a Canadian bank, it's open to customers who reside outside of Canada. However, there are specific requirements that U.S. residents must meet to open and maintain a Tangerine account. Canadian citizenship or permanent residency. You must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident to open a Tangerine account. Canadian mailing address. You'll need to provide a Canadian mailing address for your account correspondence. Canadian phone number. A Canadian phone number is also required for account verification and security purposes. Workarounds and alternatives. If you're a U.S. resident and can't meet the above requirements, there are a few workarounds or alternative options to consider. Canadian proxy. You might be able to find a trusted friend or family member in Canada who is willing to act as your proxy. They would need to provide their Canadian address and phone number to open the account on your behalf. Virtual mailbox service. A virtual mailbox service can provide you with a Canadian mailing address, allowing you to receive Tangerine account statements and correspondence. Canadian-based online banks. There are several Canadian-based online banks that cater specifically to the needs of non-resident Canadians. These banks may have more flexible requirements for opening accounts. Additional considerations. Account fees. While Tangerine is known for its low fee structure, there may be additional fees associated with cross-border transactions or maintaining a non-resident account. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, you may need to navigate language barriers or time zone differences when contacting Tangerine's customer support. In conclusion, while Tangerine Bank is technically open to U.S. residents, there are significant hurdles to overcome. If you're a U.S. resident with strong ties to Canada, the challenges might be worth it, especially if you value Tangerine's competitive interest rates and digital banking features. However, for most U.S. residents, it's likely more practical to explore other banking options within the United States. If you're considering opening a Tangerine account as a U.S. resident, be sure to do your research and carefully weigh the pros and cons, consider the requirements, potential challenges, and available alternatives before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.